Mustang Coupe.
Would it be really hard if this car got scratched? Would it be hard to fix?
It's not as hard as people think it is. I have had a scratch repaired on it, and I have body men that can't tell me where it was fixed.
Wow. So look at the color transformation in the car as I go around this car. You see it? Yeah, it's pretty. There's the, now see it's dark blue and it's going green. I'm hoping the camera's picking this up. All right, so now we're going to head, look at that piece right there, nice.
Now, one thing if you also know about Cobras, Vista Chrome Cobras, the seat inserts and the steering wheel change colors. They're the same color as the car.
Ah, there's the inserts he's talking about. Yeah, didn't know that either. You're full of education today. And of course it's a 5-speed, got a 6-speed. Gotta love that. All right, so let's take a look. Especially the Special Vehicle Team, which SVT stands for. There's that Cobra. Yeah, I had one. Mine was 95. It wasn't quite this nice. But wow. All right, you can eat off this thing.
And it's been goosed a little bit.
Yeah, what's the goosing going on there?
598 at the rear wheels.
598 horsepower?
598 horsepower at the rear wheels.
And you need all that horsepower because?
Just because. You want to go fast.
I always ask that when people do all these modifications for an extra 50 horsepower, because I drove a 500 horsepower Mustang. I'm not that old, but it was enough power for me. I can't imagine.
Factory, it was 390 horse. 390
horse factory. Very nice.
They only did it for 2 years. Cobras were 03s and 04s.
You are a wealth of knowledge. This man cares about his car and its history, which is very cool. Got the Cobra padding. What is that, heat and what is that padding for? It's heat and sound?
Yeah.
Heat and sound.
Yeah, get the heat out.
He's got working scoops, as you can see. And he is Mustang 50th. Oh, were you at the Mustang 50th? Were you?
Yes,
did I see you there?
Probably.
Did you see me there? We missed each other. There was a lot of people there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we were there.
Going to Charlotte again in April.
Look at the seats. The seats turn purple and blue. The actual seats have got the paint on it too. There it is, guys. Absolutely gorgeous Cobra. And that paint is, look, see, that's good paint right there. I always say that. When you can see me in the paint, that's good paint. He was apologizing to me for how dirty it was, and you guys are probably laughing right now, but it's pretty darn clean in my opinion. Pretty darn clean. There's the rear discs. Front discs. Very nice. Thank you for sharing your baby with us.
Thank you.
Very nice. This is your modification, right?
Yes, sir.
The JLT Performance. How much did that increase your horsepower adding this? Do you know?
I don't remember.
You didn't measure it?
No. Same thing with the Whipple supercharger. Supercharger's been changed.
Did you feel the difference by just simply?
Yeah, you can feel the difference.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, guys. So there it is. There's a customer testimonial about that product on this car. Very nice. Thank you.